Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Crystal Bead Bracelet Kit is probably one of the most versatile and enjoyable crafting experiences available, allowing you to unleash your inner jewelry designer and create stunning, personalized accessories that reflect your unique style and mood, making it a perfect gift for yourself or a loved one who appreciates handmade beauty and the satisfaction of creating something truly special from scratch. Number 5. Xmada Jewelry Making Supplies Kit. Discover the ultimate all-in-one kit designed for jewelry creation. It includes everything you need to get started, from a vast array of beads to essential tools. Dive into a world of color with over 1,200 crystal beads in assorted vibrant hues. These beautiful beads are perfect for crafting unique necklaces, bracelets, and more. Let your imagination run wild with these polished gemstone chips. Their irregular shapes and varied sizes offer endless possibilities for designing one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces. This kit is perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Create personalized bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and other DIY crafts for yourself or as thoughtful gifts. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient 24-grid box. This thoughtful packaging keeps all your supplies together, making crafting and storage a breeze. What we like? This kit is a fantastic all-in-one solution for jewelry making enthusiasts. If you are looking for a comprehensive set with a wide variety of beads, pendants, and essential tools, this is the one for you. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters who want everything they need in one organized package. What people say. This kit is amazing for creating beautiful bracelets. The beads are of high quality and come in a wide variety of colors and shapes. It includes all the necessary tools and findings to get started right away. Number 4. Fishdown 418 PCS Crystal Healing Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Discover a treasure trove of 418 beads, including a variety of natural stone healing beads and stylish accessories. Everything you need is neatly organized in a convenient plastic box. Experience the calming benefits of our lava and chakra beads. They are known to help reduce anxiety, relieve stress, and enhance focus by absorbing negative energy. These beautifully finished beads offer endless fun for all ages. Sorting, counting, and creating unique designs is a rewarding activity, perfect for any occasion. Transform these versatile beads into stunning bracelets, earrings, necklaces, or keychains. Create heartfelt, custom gifts that truly express your style and care. Trust Fishdown to ignite your artistic passion. We've been providing crafters of all levels with high-quality art and craft supplies since 2015. What we like? If you're interested in the therapeutic benefits of gemstones, this kit is a great choice. It specifically includes lava and chakra beads known for their calming properties. For those looking to create jewelry that not only looks good but also promotes well-being, this set offers a unique angle. What people say. The beads are beautiful and come in a wide variety of colors and shapes. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including string, clasps, and tools. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 3. 6mm Glass Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This complete kit provides over 1,400 pieces, including vibrant 6mm glass beads in 24 colors, plus all the accessories like spacer beads, charms, and stretchy strings you need for your jewelry making projects. Dive into a stunning spectrum of 24 vivid colors. Perfect for crafting bracelets, necklaces, anklets, keychains, and more, these beads offer endless possibilities for unique and inspiring designs. Made from high-quality glass, these beads are durable, non-fading, and have a beautiful jade-like texture. They are designed to withstand everyday wear, ensuring your creations remain beautiful. Beautifully packaged, this kit makes a thoughtful gift for daughters, sisters, or girlfriends. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to show you care. Use these versatile beads to make personalized bracelets for yourself, create heartfelt gifts for loved ones, or even start your own handmade jewelry business. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any issues with your purchase, please contact us, and we'll provide a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. What we like? This kit stands out with its premium quality, non-fading glass beads in a stunning array of 24 colors. If you prioritize durability and a beautiful, jade-like texture for your creations, this is the ideal option. It's perfect for those who want to make lasting, vibrant pieces, or even start a small business selling handmade jewelry. What people say. The kit includes a wide variety of crystal beads in different shapes, sizes, and colors, offering great creative possibilities. The beads are well drilled and easy to string, making the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. The kit comes with all the necessary tools and findings, such as clasps, jump rings, and string, so you can start making jewelry right away. Number 2. Topwon Gemstone Beads Jewelry Making Kit. Discover the joy of crafting with our exquisite gemstone bead kit. It's perfect for bringing your unique jewelry ideas to life. This comprehensive set features 15 varieties of natural crystal chip beads, offering a stunning array of colors and textures. You'll have everything you need to start creating. Each bead is carefully polished for a smooth, glassy finish and vibrant color. They are perfectly sized for a variety of jewelry making projects. Whether you're new to jewelry making or a seasoned crafter, this kit provides endless fun. Create personalized earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and more. Beyond personal adornments, these versatile beads can be used for decorative crafts. Enhance keychains, home decor, phone cases, and even aquariums. Give the gift of creativity with this thoughtful set. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for your crafty friends and loved ones. What we like. For those who appreciate the unique beauty of natural, irregular chip stones, this kit is a wonderful selection. It offers a diverse range of 15 different gemstones, perfect for creating one-of-a-kind pieces. If you're looking to add an earthy, natural aesthetic to your jewelry or crafts, this set will inspire you. What people say. The beads are beautiful and come in a wide variety of colors and shapes. The kit includes everything you need to get started, such as string, clasps, and tools. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 1. Selizo Crystal Chips Beads for Jewelry Making. Discover a vast collection of natural gemstone beads, perfect for crafting your unique style. Make stunning rings, necklaces, bracelets, and more with ease. Explore a dazzling array of 28 assorted colors, each brilliant and gorgeous. These versatile beads are ideal for any jewelry project, matching all your creative demands. Each bead features a unique, irregular shape and varies in size from 5 mm to 8 mm. This natural variation adds an attractive, one-of-a-kind touch to your creations. Crafted from genuine natural stones, these beads are heat-treated and polished for a premium finish. They are conveniently pre-drilled, ready for all your jewelry-making endeavors. Everything is neatly organized in a 28-grid plastic box, with each color in its own compartment. This makes arranging and accessing your beautiful crystals incredibly simple. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for those who love variety and are keen on making unique rings, bracelets, and earrings. With 28 assorted colors and attractive irregular shapes, it offers endless creative possibilities. If you're looking for a kit that provides a vast color palette and interesting bead forms to experiment with, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The beads are very beautiful and come in a wide variety of colors and shapes. The kit includes all the necessary tools and findings to start making jewelry right away. The instruction booklet is clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.